This is a how-to video for project leads on the traineeship staff support program or those on the apprenticeship staff support program. And this is how to upload a news item. So the first thing you need to do as a project lead is to sign in using your details. So there is the username there and then the password. Once you're logged in, you'll see these two panes here, and the one we're interested in is the second pane with your name at the top here. And what we want to do is to create content. So we want to click Create Content tab there, and it will have these options displayed underneath it. And the one we want here is News, so creating a news item. Now the first thing you can do if you want to as part of your news item is to upload a picture or a photo. That could be a company logo, for instance. And so what you need to do is to click File here, select the picture you want to upload, and it'll come up with the name of the file there, and you just need to click Upload here. Now depending on the size of the photo, the file, it may take a few moments to upload. And it should also readjust itself so it will fit on the news item nicely on the page. Okay, and that's uploaded there. The second thing you want to do here is to put in the headline. So for instance, we might want to put TSSP workshop 5th of May. Okay, so that's your headline, that's what it will display. And then we come to the body of the news item, and you'll see it's got a tool pane here, which is very similar to Microsoft Word, with the different options for bold, italics, underline, and so on. And here you can just type in further information about the workshop. Now, there's a number of things you can do, and it's worth exploring what you can do. But just a quick note really is if you are copying and pasting information into this pane, you'll probably need to reformat it on the website. So you'll probably need to highlight it and click the font you want and also the size that you want. And one other feature to note is this hyperlink feature here. So if you highlight again what you want hyperlinked, then you can just click this button here and it open this pane, and here you want to add in your URL. So I may add in the ALP website, that's where I want people to go, for instance, and then click Insert and OK. And so you may have a number of bits of information about the workshop and you want people to visit another page to sign up, for instance, then you can add in a hyperlink there. Now there's a number of other options underneath the content of the news item there. The first of which is file attachments. So you may want to upload the agenda, for instance, for the workshop, and here again you just choose the file, click on your documents and upload the agenda, and that would show there, and again you just click attach and it would attach that file to the news item, and you can upload pretty much any format as part of that file. And the last thing you want to have a look at is the URL path settings. So if you click here, the page will generate an automatic URL. But one thing to note is that if the headline is long, then the URL will be very long. So sometimes if you have a long headline, say up to here, it may be worth just generating your own URL so it's not too long and it's a bit easier to type in. And so you might, for instance, put in workshop and then just 5th of May, for instance, just as an example. And so the full URL will then be www.traineeship-staff.co.uk/workshop-5th-May, so it won't be too long. Now one thing is worth doing is clicking the preview button here, and this will allow you to have a look at it before you post it up. Now it looks a bit sparse at the moment because we haven't got an awful lot of information there, but this is the preview just here, and then you can scroll down and edit it if you want before you click save. Once you click save, you can go and test to see whether it's been posted up. If you click news on the left hand side here, it should show the new news item at the top of the page here. And the other thing you'll notice is on the home page, it should also show on the right hand side here on this news feed. So that's it in terms of posting up a news item. If you want to learn how to post up a blog, add a date to the calendar, put something on the forum, or to edit your project page, then click one of the other videos and we'll show you how it's done.